मैं दावत खिताब के लिए प्रोफेसर मकसूद भाई को उसके के वहाँ अपनी ख्याल दे जाते हैं।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. I would like to start my speech from the preamble of the Constitution of this country. Whereas the sovereignty entire universe belongs to Almighty Allah alone, the authority to be exercised by the people of Pakistan within the prescribed limits of him. The second para, wherein the independence of judiciary shall be fully secured. Preamble, if we look into the preamble and if we connect the same preamble with the incident of the 12 May 2007, why did the legal fraternity of this country sacrifice their lives on the same day, the 12 May 2007? And if we look into the preamble, the independence of judiciary. Now we look in the history, Pakistani history. What did the judiciary of this country do for the independence of judiciary? And what did it do for the independence of judiciary, which has been confirmed in the Constitution of Pakistan? The establishment of this country did. So if we see all these characters and roles in the past history, if we look the past history, the first decade, from 1958 to 1971, this was the first decade where the military rule imposed in this country and the same judiciary. The responsibility of judiciary is to independence of judiciary. But the judiciary on the hand give the illegal action of the law cover and validate the same imposing the martial law and abrogated the Constitution of Pakistan 1957. If we look the second decade, which starts from 1977 to 1988, again the Constitution of Pakistan has been abrogated and subverted by the military rules of this country. And the role of the judiciary, if we look into that role of the judiciary, this is the same judiciary which has been established under Article 175 of the Constitution of Pakistan. What did this judiciary do? Validate the illegal and imposing martial law in this country. And the final decade, which starts from 1999 to 2018, indirectly suspend the Constitution of this country. And the independence of judiciary, I have been already pointed out the preamble. What is the responsibility of establishment? What is the responsibility of judiciary in this country, which is commonly known as the bench? What is the responsibility of lawyers, which is commonly as a bar? And we look into the role of in only the lawyer community, the legal fraternity of this country sacrificed their life for the independence of judiciary. If we see the past roles of the judiciary and establishment, both are against the Constitution, both are against the independence of judiciary, both are against the Constitution of this country. Only the legal fraternity of this country stands with the Constitution, with the rule of law, with upholding of the Constitution of Pakistan. On the other hand, the military dictators violate the Article 288. Article 288, the armed forces take oath. I will not myself engage in any political activities, whatever so. And also take the oath. I will uphold the Constitution of Pakistan and embodies the will of the people of Pakistan. What did the military establishment did? They against the act of the Constitution of Pakistan. Finally, I would like to appreciate, this is the historical moment. This was the historical moment when 2017, in the history of the political and the constitutional history of this country, only the lawyers, only the educators, only the bar of this country stand with the rule of law, supremacy of constitution. We finally demand to the Supreme Court of Pakistan, even then the people of Pakistan are hopeless. The character and the role of the constitutional role of the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. But I would like to demand from the platform of the Karachi Bar Association to establish a judicial commission. What did the government of this country do? The people, the lawyer fraternity was murdered and killed on the 12th of May. And we hope that the judiciary of this country will give the justice to the legal fraternity of this country. Thank you so much.